Because look at what we were dealing with yesterday. Record heat. We talked about this morning. Someone on Twitter coined the term springuary because it felt like spring. High temperature of 85 degrees. The previous record was 83 degrees. So we are now seeing that number really reflected over the last couple of days. Believe it or not, the warmest temperature since we've really started keeping track in January was 93. So we were not too far off from that, but luckily didn't reach that. That was, by the way, in 1911. And since 1899, January has seen 58 days at or above 80 degrees. That's not a lot, meaning it's not common to see the 80s this time of the year. The last time we saw back-to-back 80-degree days like we did on Tuesday and Wednesday was January 7th and 8th. 2006. I want to show you though how things are trending here. January 20th to January 26th. This is slightly beyond that 10-day forecast. It looks like temperatures will go back to near normal, and normal for us around that time is 57 to 58 degrees. And as far as our precip goes, it looks like we're still trending below normal, and that does reflect itself on our 10-day. We don't have a lot of rain potential for us. This morning, big difference from yesterday afternoon. We dropped down to 46 degrees at DFW, 45 in Richardson and in Dallas. That was all as that strong north wind came in. Now we're at 53 degrees at DFW Airport. Winds out of the north and west, slightly lower than this morning at about 17-mile-per-hour sustained winds right now. Fort Worth still looking beautiful, but on the windy side, as wind gusts this morning were in the 40s, now at about 31. I'd go ahead and call that breezy. Fair Park also seeing really fair conditions. We're seeing a little bit of cloud cover out there, otherwise a beautiful blue sky, temperature of 50 degrees. Your planner today does show the wind staying with us. It'll be breezy all afternoon. It'll be sunny as well. Temperature near 57 degrees around 3 in the afternoon, 56 around 5, and 50 degrees around 7. The front that came through early has now pushed to the south and east and will continue to cool things down for the state of Texas. Corpus Christi, Brownsville, not quite getting that cool air just yet, both at about 71 now. And for the afternoon, we'll stay in the 70s. Most of Texas, though, 50s and 60s. Overall, a really pleasant but breezy day across the state. I'm going to head over to the West Coast. We've been talking about that intense rain across California. Today, the latest drought monitor was released. Now, to begin the year, exceptional drought, the worst kind, was being reported in California. Last week, we saw an improvement with exceptional drought being completely erased. And now, extreme drought, which is the second to worst kind of drought to have, is almost completely gone across the state. Huge improvement there. Still 46% of the state under severe drought. It needs quite a bit more rain for it to completely go away. I don't think we'll see it with this, and it's good because it's a lot of rain in a short period of time. California, by the way, experiencing a short break from this rain, although the northern half is still seeing added moisture coming into the area, and a couple of systems are on their way, so this is not stopping anytime soon. Here closer to home, we're going to notice the warm up. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s today and tomorrow afternoon, but look at the morning lows in the 30s Friday, Saturday. Definitely want to make sure to bring out the jackets. Into the 40s Sunday morning, but we'll notice some fog, some cloud cover, temperatures in the 70s for early next week. Tashara.
Okay, thank you so much, Mariel.